understanding the word blended in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the word blended. Whether you've seen it in a book, heard it in a conversation, or come across it in a recipe, this word has a variety of uses. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what blended means and how to use it in different contexts. Blended is the past participle of the verb blend, which means to mix or combine things in a way that they become a single substance or entity. When we say something is blended, it means that it has been thoroughly mixed with something else, and the individual components are no longer distinguishable. For example, a blended smoothie has fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients mixed together until they form a smooth liquid. The term blended is commonly used to describe families where the parents have remarried, bringing children from previous relationships into a new, united family. A blended family includes step-siblings, step-parents, and any other familial relationships that result from the merging of two separate family units. The emphasis here is on the coming together of different individuals to create a new, harmonious unit. In the world of education, blended learning refers to a teaching method that combines traditional classroom teaching with online learning activities. This approach allows students to have some control over the time, place, path, or pace of their learning, blending the best aspects of in-person and online education. In cooking and beverages, blended is often used to describe the texture or consistency of a food or drink. For example, a blended cocktail is one where the ingredients have been mixed together in a blender, resulting in a smooth and often frothy beverage. Similarly, a blended sauce or puree is one where the components have been mixed together until they are smooth. So there you have it, a thorough look at the word blended and its various uses in English. Whether it's in the context of families, education, or food and drink, blended conveys the idea of different elements coming together to create a harmonious and unified whole. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of this versatile word for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.